Dinner time is family time, but the time it takes to get dinner on the table can vary. Monica ordered a meal delivery kit for the convenience. This box of groceries requires prep work like washing, chopping, dicing, and grating. Tiffany assembled a month of meals in a 1-hour session at her local Dream Dinners location. She chose her meals based on her family's preferences, and the prep work was taken care of by the fun and attentive Dream Dinners staff. The meal kit requires all of Monica's attention to prepare her meal, leaving her in the kitchen rather than spending time with her family. Dream Dinners' perfectly prepped meals affords Tiffany more time to spend with her family, and most of Tiffany's meals go from kitchen to table in under 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, Monica is still prepping dinner for her family, and a mound of dishes is stacking up in her sink. With Dream Dinners, Tiffany has more time to focus on what's truly important: family. Dream Dinners. We are homemade, made easy.